Hello guys. At the beginning of the demo, I will present how easy to create variables in Logic Forge. Then how to set transform component properties, have values of those variables. Next, get component properties values into the variables. Logic Forge was fully customizable from the start. But, now we'll have quick access to all skins and settings. We are using only one design asset for these 4 game objects. Whatever we are creating is auto-implemented on all game objects. In the end, I like to show the new persistence option. As you can see, I'm working in play mode, so the idea is that whatever you created in play mode, including changes on prefab instances, persist in edit mode. This is the way